pretend to live in a world where virtual is overtaking real. I mean, we all are getting way more affected by what's happening on the virtual surface, meaning any of the social media, etc., than what is in reality. Now, can you have a relationship? Can you have any kind of a relation on the virtual level? I don't think so. Reality is where you want to live. Real is what you want to have. You won't find out about it through the virtual surfaces. Anybody can say anything. Anybody can show anything. Anyone can use any kind of a filter. There are so many apps, you would know, let me not mention all of them, which helps you to look completely different. Yeah, I could be a top model if I use them. I'm not. I've never been. I'm not going to be. Just be you. And when you are you, then you have the right and you have the possibility to find somebody who is also her himself. And then you can make any kind of a real connection. Because if you start off in the virtual world and you tend to stay there too long and you try to start building a relationship in the virtual world, unfortunately the majority are going to be a really downgrade when you meet in reality. You cannot connect in the virtual world. You cannot feel, you cannot smell, you cannot touch. You wouldn't know. Anybody can claim anything about themselves, but the real is the one where you want to be, where you want to build, and where you want to feel the other person, where you really want to connect. Just to send an email or share each other's photos or look at whatever virtual portal, that's not going to help you. When you are up to it, then go out to a real world and try to find somebody there and try to see them there. How do they look? How do they act? What do they say? And then you can really measure up if they are somebody who you want to spend your time with, and you don't have to fall and you won't fall for whatever they were claiming to be. Trust me, in the long term, real is always better than the virtual.